Hello and welcome. This is Cara Brandon and I have a super exciting video today. This is something I have wanted to do for a long time and I have been just really intimidated by it. But it just kind of happened. I made a couple of the Halloween tags and then it just kind of happened, which is insane. So this is my very first digital junk journal kit that I am sharing with you today, and the title of the kit is Song of Autumn. It will be on it is listed when this video goes up. It will be listed on my Etsy shop, and for the first few days I'm gonna have a sale. Probably 40% off the kit, so if you're interested, check it out and get it while it's on sale. And this is going to be the kit that I use in November for my gratefulness journal. I was going to use the journal I made in September, but I've changed my mind and this is going to be the kit. More about the grateful journal in a second. Let's get to the kit. Enough talking. So again, the name is Song of Autumn. And it has 8 journaling pages, or 8, junk journal pages, and then it also has 8 backgrounds. So this is the first page. There's a lot of birds and greens and ephemera and flowers and butterflies. So this is page 1. And here's the second page. Again, lots of butterflies, fun kind of mixed media type of backgrounds. Here's another one. I just love this tag. This one has text and kind of a grungy background. So in with the butterfly and that tag again that I loved. And then here's some more of the greenish kind of backgrounds. The birds. Here's another one with butterflies. So fun. I'm just so excited. I am so excited. This one's a little more grungy and green. And here's one that could be used for all sorts of journaling. And then we have 8 that are basic backgrounds. And these backgrounds you could print on your journaling page and print it so it's double-sided. Or you could, of course, just use this as a background if you wanted to do more journaling on the page, since the other ones have a lot of graphics on them. So this background has the green, and then it has a very faint floral that goes through it. This one has the really cool kind of tile that's behind it. This one has the tile but with the graph paper and in yellow. Yellow is my favorite. And here's this one. I just love this one. It's so gritty and fun. And this one has the graph paper as well. And this one has geographical text in the back. Really fun old book page. They're doing construction. I apologize. And then this one has an old oh my gosh, really? This one has an old ledger page and has some green grunginess. And here's a green fun background with the kind of spackly paint look. Here's a green. So it has, again, the 8 journaling pages and the 8 backgrounds, and then there's 2 sets of ephemera. So a lot of the images you can cut out, and what I tried to do, if you have a Cricut or a Scan and Cut, I added black lines around them, hoping that, and I need to still try this out, but hoping that it will then pick it up, so if you wanted to, you could use your Scan and Cut to cut these out if you didn't want a fussy cut. Lots of fun butterflies for layering, lots of tags to use. And here's the second one. There's that tag that I just love. a lot of fun ephemera that you can cut out and layer. And of course, you can print these out once, since they're digital, you can print them out multiple times and use them for more than one project, which is always exciting. And here we have 3 large tags. And then we also have kind of the yellow version of the 3 large tags. I just love that bird. And then I made in mini form, so there's 6 mini tags. And then lastly is a coin envelope. So you just cut this out and there's faint lines that you can use to then fold it. And then some of the ephemera can fit into the pages. So it's 22 pages in total, this kit. I feel like I'm having a 3rd child with my brand new kit. I'm so excited. I am so excited to see what you guys think. And again, it's listed in my Etsy shop and the information is linked below. I'm nervous and excited. I will be making my journal and I'll be doing a complete series of me making that journal, and then I will be using that journal all through November with the 30 Days of Grateful. So let's talk about that really quick. In November, I'm going to be doing 30 Days of Grateful. So you will see I will have a link. I'll have this in my Etsy shop. It'll be free, and I'll also link it when I start making my journal. But it's the 30 Days of Grateful prompts, and then through the month of November I will be using these prompts and making videos that go with those. And then I will also have these for free. This is 4 journaling cards, 5 things I'm grateful for, top 5 things I'm grateful for, and then there's one with a postcard. And these will be a free download as well. So more about this grateful journal coming soon, but for now I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day and let me know what you think. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.